It is in the major demo stage. So.
Yeah, and be careful,
Yes.
especially the ground floor. There's still a lot of debris coming in and out.
This will be the new student entry, okay? So they'll come down that sidewalk right here. We have an ADA sidewalk outside the fence we put in temporarily, so you'll be able to walk in those doors, lower doors that are there now, and you can walk into the bookstore. That's for the Res Life and Student Activities offices, where yes, in student government. Every department that got moved out of here is basically there for phase 1 and some phase 2. The demo went really well, we feel, you know what I mean? But now we're in the coordination phase with mechanicals, electric, plumbing, HVAC, heating, cooling systems. You got to make them all fit. I mean, they are running electric where they can, and HVAC systems. They're running new. If you see on the first floor, it's brand new silver, has like a blue cap on the end of it. That's all new. They can do a lot of that head work, you know, when they have the opportunity. Outside, this front's going to get taken off. You see there's a big hole in the back of the building where the dock was. That got blown out so we can get the old coolers and stuff out of the kitchen. Then we're going to build a whole new dock in phase 1. So that has to be done next July. So that's where we're at right now.
So we've got to get all the new systems in here and make them fit, but we also have to leave everything existing that still serves the second.
Yes.
So it's another added layer.
Yeah, so that's a challenge for all of us. So but we're working through it, and we have a target date, correct? So.
This is so exciting today. We're looking in this time capsule that we found during the Lowry renovation. They're beginning to take things down from the front of the building and open it up for the new space that we're creating. And behind the date stone that marked the original building, they found this amazing copper box. So what do we have in here? This is kind of amazing. So this is the local paper, the Daily Record, which is still published here in the city of Worcester. And the date on this paper is May 15th, 1968, which is just as the building was being finished, put together. And here we have the College of Wooster catalog so that we can see what students were studying in the years 1968 and 1969. This is amazing. It looks brand new, right? Looks like it could have been printed yesterday. Now our catalog is online, but this one we have here. And then of course, the great compliment to the local paper, we have the Wooster Voice. This is one from 1967 with a revision of the rules for women, which were very controversial in the 60s because women had to go back to their dorms and be there early in the evening, and men were allowed to stay out as late as they wanted to. So this is a historic moment in the college's history. And we also have here the one that memorializes the passing of President Lowry. And let's see, what else do we have in here? This is the Adventure in Education. So this is something that President Lowry wrote early in his time as president about our curriculum when they created independent study and decided what that should be. We've got some more photos, it looks like. And then something little in here. This is a medal, the Centennial Medal for the college. And this is from the college's Union Planning Committee. So making this decision that it was really important to have a space for the community to come together, a place for students to eat and gather and enjoy their time together. And this is the whole study where they were asking students what they would want, and faculty and staff, and presenting it to the board. And you know, because this is Worcester, it's a big document, like an independent study of thinking about how to create a space that would last for more than 50 years for students and faculty and staff to make community together. We're so excited to be able to improve that space. And it's awesome to have this time capsule.